What is up, Hot Rod City residents? If you're just a guest and you want to be a resident, go down there and click the subscribe button. I'm headed down to my buddy Timmy's house because I have tires. See? Tires. I only got 6. I need 8, but all I had was 6. I initially bought these tires for the Loadstar, and I no longer have the Loadstar. Through some messing around and everything else, I ended up with something else. Because I took the truck, the Loadstar, down to Timmy's, and I took the motor down there, which I had to pay to have it all towed down there, including the motor. I took it down there, and then even though he told me it would fit, it won't fit. So I got rid of it, and it's a heck of a story. We'll tap on that later. So I bought another truck to put the Detroit in because it had a blow motor. Bigger one, a newer one than what the Loadstar was. But through the dealings that took 3 to 4 months to actually get this truck, I ended up finding the motor for that truck, which is kind of, I don't want to say rare, it just kind of fell into my lap, but I'm told they're pretty difficult to find. So I'm headed down there. When I get down there, I'll pick you guys up, show you what I bought. Alright, so I'm down here at T.W. Smith. Hey. In Callaway, Maryland. He works on big trucks and tractors and stuff. There's a big camper around here somewhere too that he messes with. A lot of FedEx too. So that's where I did it. That's how I do the seats for FedEx. So my truck is in the shop. That's not mine. That one's mine. That's Skinner. So that's my truck. DT 466 going in it. 9-speed. Tandem axle air ride. It's loud in there because the freaking heater. Yeah, not only does the numbskull that I bought that truck on his, no, where's my tires? Where's my tires? No phone calls, no nothing from him for almost 3 months after he agreed to sell me the truck. Now he's pestering Timmy about my tires, getting tires off of the truck. So I got these 6. I'll try to find some more. So I don't want to go too low in the back because I have to change the gearing, but I'm gonna go a little bit shorter in the front. So I only technically need 2 more of this size. And I'm gonna do probably 2 25s in the front. So to get it, I think a 225 is like 34-inch tall. These are 36. So I'm gonna get my gloves on and unload them. Alright. It's unloaded. I go. I'm gonna hit the junkyard. There's a junkyard right down the street. I'm gonna go look for seats for the Dart. And possibly 2 tires, so we'll see. Because they got school buses down there. So.